Hi all.
Hey, it's time for another Weekly Geek.
December 10th.
December 10th. How you doing there, Megan?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Excellent. I'm
Good.
going to show off a couple of things here. First, I wanted to show off a new little thing I added to the professional development site on Haiku. So I would go to Haiku here,
Okay.
and you've done this about a zillion times, haven't you, Megan?
I haven't actually played around with haiku as much as I need to.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Great place for maybe a library page we can set
I
up for you.
think so.
So under professional development, which all the teachers are students in, I added just a real quick thing for those of you who have just received iPads. I know a lot of people have iPads now, and we added right here 15 apps for Lamoille educators. We added things like Google Drive, Dropbox, PowerTeacher, Evernote, Explain Everything. This one down here, Genius Scan. Have you used that one before, Megan?
Yep.
Great. It's a great way to, you can take a shot of something and like a worksheet or something, and then turn it into a PDF, and you've got an electronic copy of it.
Right.
It's harder to edit, but that's okay.
But
Facebook,
it's a
Twitter.
good way to get that stuff online too.
Exactly, exactly. So this is not really like a lot of classroom apps as much as it is if we were to create sort of a portfolio of 15 apps to start with, kind of your
Right.
starter apps.
And these are good productivity apps too. Like Evernote back there, it's a note-taking app. Dropbox is where you store your stuff.
Yep.
So it's pretty much it's a good basis for storing stuff and
Yeah, yeah, it's kind of
etc.
workflow type stuff. Dropbox, Google Drive is great right now. You know, you can throw everything in there
Yep.
and share it out, and been pretty happy with that. And the little dollar signs on there means that they actually cost something, so you can get a code from me.
Yep.
Just email me,
Great.
and we'll get you a code. Great. All right. One other site that I wanted to show real quick is this one that I think you and I have been playing with quite a bit.
A lot.
Yeah,
I've
it's
spent a lot of hours on Wix in the past few months.
so we've been over the past few years we've been using Google Sites a lot. Wix kind of takes it up a notch, and I think they have just some fantastic templates to start with if you want to do your own site. And these are all templates that they have out there, and I think they just look a lot nicer, and they're kind of a little more creative. And you know how when you've seen 3 or 4 Google sites, you've kind of seen them all.
Yep. And they're not, Google sites just aren't as maneuverable as Wix sites, I found at least.
Yeah, there's a lot more kind of little tricks to them
Hmm.
that are harder to navigate,
Right.
whereas these are really nice. So you can start off with a template here, build up from the template, and boy, they work pretty slick.
Yeah.
And it's free if you don't mind having a little Wix little
Add.
banner down at the bottom.
Yep. If you go on the new library site, it's luhslib.wix.com/luhslib. But you'll see there is a little banner on the bottom because it's a great site and we haven't paid for it. So
That's right. It
yep.
is nice. It's very nice.
I like it.
And I wanted to, you're a pro at Pinterest, right?
I am. I've been on Pinterest for months and months. It is basically a bookmarking site. It's a big, I don't know, corkboard basically, and you can find anything online. You can grab it and put it on your Pinterest page. You can make different walls or different boards. This one's an education one, so I see the Infernal Devices. It's got some great books, some infographics and just a lot of different things. And they have them for everything. They have library sites, which I'm a big fan of. They've got book stuff. They've got um, everything, devices, and right here,
Yeah.
education.
Homemade oxygen tanks.
Yep,
Look at
apps and
that.
a whole bunch of different stuff. So if you haven't checked it out, I'm a fan, and just it's a user responsibility thing.
Great. So
Yeah.
another great way to sort of pick up new ideas and things like
Right.
that. Especially like I think you got your mugshot idea.
Yes, that
So
the banned books idea. I got a lot of them
right.
from Pinterest.
So great way to pick up ideas. And
Yeah.
then my last thing here is really silly,
Is
Megan.
it really
It's
silly?
really
You're
silly.
not silly. What are you talking
No,
about?
it's really silly
Never.
because it's completely geeky, but I thought I'd throw it out there with the holiday season coming up and people thinking about little gifts. Here's something called the Maker Shed, and the Maker Shed is this do-it-yourself type kind of super geeky place where you can buy little kits.
So my kind of place.
Well,
Super
it's
geeky.
unbelievably geeky. Little part. It's kind of like Radio Shack, but even cooler. And you can do things like for 15 bucks, you can buy a little kit where you can turn a toothbrush into little racers.
Wow.
So, It's one
I
of
don't
those
think
things.
I'm even that geeky.
It's
Maybe
pretty
you.
geeky. It's you build it up. There's some pretty cool stuff in there, and it's definitely a geek haven. But it comes from this kind of idea of DIY, where you build it up
Right.
yourself. It's kind of the parts they put it together, and you build it. It's kind of a little hack type thing,
Right.
and people are into that. And this whole Make Magazine thing has got a lot of great ideas for doing this. I think we're going to see a lot
That's
more
cool.
hacking and DIYing in the
Right.
future. It's kind of a cool way to go.
Yeah.
Great. That's it. So, boy, we had all sorts of stuff. We had 15 great apps you should have. We had Wix.com. We had Pinterest. And we even had some holiday shopping suggestions.
Woohoo!
So, quite a weekly geek. Everybody have a fantastic second week of December.
Yeah, 2 weeks left. Woohoo!
All right. We'll see you later.